Part 1. Hello everyone. In this first part, we're building a basic AI agent that will work as a manager for us. But as of right now, this is just the first part, so he doesn't have any way to save his messages or keep context of previous messages. So we will simply print the responses to the terminal. We have a basic bun init project we created with the blank template. The important directory is this agents directory here. We have a manager.ts and we have this prompts directory inside the agents. So we use the prompts directory to store prompts that we want to potentially keep giving our agent. So you see here we have a day 1 which says, please provide me with questions on how to get started. This is day 1. And we have recovery day. We have missed several of our goals and need to recover. Help us. And we are able to access these prompts inside the dictionary by simply just doing dot. So we can either get recovery day or we can get day 1. The important part though is this manager.ts file here. In here, we create a Google Generative AI configuration. So it's a special configuration where we pass our own API key to Google. We do this because the way the AI SDK tries to get the environment variables is kind of different. We're not using Next.js. I thought it was just easier for us to do it this way, and it does work better because we can just simply add the Gemini API key to our environment variables and it works just fine. So now, what do we have here? We have an asynchronous function called main, and we just simply want it to run when this file is called with bun run. So we have constant deconstructed text stream from the streamText. StreamText comes from the AI SDK. So what it does is it streams the model's responses to you part by part instead of waiting for the model to finish. This allows for quicker response times and quicker time to first token. So we have the prompt that we provided to our agent. As they say here, a prompt, it can either be a text prompt or a list of messages. So we have prompts.day1. You can also here add recovery day as well. So we have prompts.day1. We also gave it a system prompt. You are my manager. Gave it today's date. I will provide you with information about my work. Your job is to review what I have done, evaluate it against the goals and standards we set, and make a clear judgment. After your evaluation, recommend specific improvements or next steps I should take. Your feedback should be direct, constructive, and actionable. Then we simply do a quick for loop. For a text part inside the text stream, we simply console.log the text part. And then we call main if this file is called with bun run. So now I want to give you guys a quick demo on how we do this. We simply call bun run agent/manager.ts. Once we run, we wait a moment and our agent's messages should start streaming into us. There we go. So what did he do? He said, welcome. Since today is day 1, we need to establish the foundational context for your work so I can effectively manage, evaluate, and provide targeted feedback. He asks you to answer the questions thoroughly, the scope and objectives, the success metrics and standards, timeline and resources, the current status and risk. And then he says, for the next step, please provide detailed answers to these questions. Once I have this information, I will establish the evaluation framework and provide you with a first set of actionable instructions. So as you see, our agent is working.